Okay, let's go.
Your digital twin isn't complete until it feels and sounds like you. Last week, we explored Voice Doctor. This week, we're leveling up your voice with more tips to make your avatar sound even more like you. HeyGen gives you total control over how you sound, cloning your voice, matching your tone, directing emotion, and choosing from powerful voice models. This is your full walkthrough of our voice tools. Let's start with the basics. Cloning your voice. Go to your avatar, click on your voice, create new voice, upload your audio, and generate a voice that sounds exactly like you. Next, voice mirror. It studies your tone, pacing, and inflection, then recreates that exact delivery on any line you generate. Simply record your audio and then choose voice mirror. HeyGen creates the most realistic voices for your avatar. After you record, toggle voice mirror and you will see it transcribed. Then click generate. Now here it is played back with my avatar. HeyGen creates the most realistic voices for your avatar. Voice mirror makes every script sound like you actually performed it. Then voice director, emotional control for your digital twin. Calm, confident, playful. Choose the style and the avatar performs it. Simply type your script, click voice director. You must switch to Panda here, then choose your emotion. Let's go with cool. Here's how it sounds.
HeyGen has the most realistic avatars in the world.
And that's voice director. Finally, your voice can act. And for more creative flexibility, you can switch to premium models from ElevenLabs, Fish, Starfish, and Panda, each with unique textures, accents, and emotional range. Each model allows for the ability to adjust the speed and volume of your voice, while ElevenLabs has two models that allow for a range of speed, volume, stability, and more. Find the style that fits your content. And when you stack them together, cloning, mirroring, directing, choosing your preferred model, plus Voice Doctor, your avatar becomes a full performance voice artist. Totally natural and fully controllable. This is the next level of creating with HeyGen. Let's level up your voice.
Try it now for free on HeyGen.